The more sorry. Just like Rosealee, I friend. I'm spend Blamdem at that. Rosealee, the whole of them they laugh. And look at reach Rosealee. You think me go laugh after Rosealee or bring her down? No, me not do it. Me be a better person. And so hopefully she get back her kids them, you know? Because it really hurts. Because they didn't take care of her kids them, but I want fun her mouth. And she not hurting them, she not gonna hurt them. But that's how you go. If me thank you, if me see a pastor come out and say never warning for Shelly, you think me not gonna take it serious? If a pastor come out right now and say them have warning for me, you think me not gonna take that serious? Of course me gonna take it serious, bro. Me have to take it serious. Me go take it serious.
Although making decisions can be daunting, trusting in God's guidance brings a peace beyond all understanding that safeguards our hearts and minds, as described in Philippians 4 verse 7. Hebrews 11 verse 8 illustrates Abraham's faith-driven obedience to God's call, serving as a model for us to emulate. Our gratitude for divine guidance is deepened by the clarity.
Alright, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if minute up on the beat and you can see on the screen. Yeah, dancehall artist Squash Moms is really going through it, you know what I mean? And I think Rosealee kids being taken away by the state, the government, really triggered something in her. As you know, her son has been in a federal possession in them prison for almost a year now. He's awaiting sentencing coming November 24th. I think he's going to get 5 to 8 years in prison and 3 years supervised. But they're going to deport him, you know what I mean? And that's what she's talking about. People can't come back because police are going to get him before them can dumpy him. And all type of bag of things, J-Man and all of these people, blam. You know the whole shit go bob, you see me, I say. But the thing with Rosealee kind of trigger her off, you see me. So that's like I share the video on now, on social media platforms. And let's hear what she has to say, you see me. Because she also went on to say that, her son is not a snitch. Even though him and daddy are snitch on her race child. You see me, I say. But she also said there's only one man to her hole and she has 6 kids for one individual and she don't know why blam coming out here saying that she's sleeping with, gang members like, J-Man and all of these people. You see me, I say, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
It was for us in Blamdem come to Jamaica to sleep with me. And people would have believed that Blamdem, I'm a Pitney. He would have never passed in place with me or look me. Never. And then when we realize on the media, lifestyle, fake news send more than real story. Me as a big man, I have 6 kids for one man. If you don't know, they have 6 sons for one man. Men have 3, 4, 5 baby father. How can I be a bad person? All my life long, I want my baby father, I spend my life. All my life, I want my child father, I spend my life. May I break up, my dad one man from England. I give me everything what I want. So, what happened? What put up me and Jamal picture and they tear down the man and they pay life on the man. But the man is a setup. The man is a setup, bro. Blamdem just hate me and just because I love my kids and my mother don't love him. Because he treat him mother like shit. Treat him people them like garbage. And the amount of lie when I tell me I want to believe upon the media, I really believe them thing about me. woman was sick from my last relationship. Me single until to the day. Me no run up and down, me no bounce out. Me no bounce out with nobody. Eh? But God, me forgive him. Me forgive him, you know. I forgive that little boy, I don't know better than he can better. So he's safe and he little trouble. I watch them beat him, you know. And the boy running down the street when I go beat him, nearly kill him. And the police and call for the youth. Him cannot come back to Jamaica, I can't tell him this. The police want him like anything in the world. They want to in front of why make dead off. Why me go hate him? He not kill nobody for him. I'm going to use him out and sink him himself. Then he ain't going to tell the police that he's an infam. So everybody where you see him link with, he go come and go inform upon them and go talk and then tell him, say, you know, everything what nobody tell him, he go come up and talk and then tell him, say, you better believe me, you know. That boy come like an old freak, he leak, he not keep no secret from nobody. He could have been the dance of the kings of king go come talk. Just like yes, that's like what he call Big Vybz name and Shabda name. See, and they may tell him fizzy things. I love you. But me forgive all of them. Me not eat them when I wish bad for him. I'm the only one them kill him. Me who no one them kill him. I swear to God I raise me up to God. I will never wish bad for that little boy. The son's got to change him one day. He can be a better person. And me not get up and tell nobody what hate me. Me not get up and hate who hate me. Hate a person like me, what they live the best life. Me not in a jailhouse, me not in a hospital, me not sick, I'm okay. Me not make trouble with you, me not make trouble with people, me not run up and down, me not bounce about, me just love people, bro. Thank you. And just because they say me not feel, they don't like, because me not feel. Thank you. Because they was so much bad for me and my family, and they don't see me they feel. They don't see me come and pick at the feel, and they beg them nothing. And they don't see no bad things that reach me. They don't see me on the street, then I hear no bad news about me, so they don't like me. I'm going to tell you say God, brother, God cover me. God cover me so much. So I have to always, hey, love God. I pray. And desire to make live this single life. I am not in a relationship with nobody. I live this single life and take good care of myself, you see? Me say, I know how me get so much help, bro. If I never get to know me in a real life, I know who me is. You see, all the lies they want to tell for me. Sometimes I cry inside, coming up cry. I ask God, why my life will be this way, Father God? What me do wrong part or deserve them a liar? Everybody when they see me take picture with, they say they don't have sex with me. Every youth, every me go out when I'm here to take picture and me post it. That means you know they have sex with me. That's what they call a PG. Ugly face, big nose, lean face, ugly boy. Put out in the media and people could have believed that I run with that. So no knows for my time.
Let's welcome each new day with a heart full of gratitude. Seeing it as a divine
One of these calls this.
chance for renewal and a call to pursue
Ooh.
our purpose. Let's remember that
Whoa. Oh, fucking hell, man.
closer to God,
What?
back to the world, and fulfill
Ooh,
calling His
that's a minute.
different.
You can't eat who eat, you don't have to love them. No hate them. Not because they throw no on that bus, no hate them. Love them.
Guide my steps, Lord, and lead me along the path of righteousness and virtue.
You see? No hate who no love, just love them.
Fear or doubt
Yeah.
that attempts to hinder me. In Jesus'
As hating them is like
the enemy against my life, health,
God he knows.
and future. I proclaim freedom from every chain, curse, and form of bondage, and I claim victory over every obstacle I encounter.
Now hate them because they say bad boat, you know. Don't hate them. Because you see a little boy there. I think me hate him. When I hate him, I know. I forgive him. And all you see, I'm going to tell me something. I forgot about the part. I'll tell you something in a life. If anytime they broke on the media, they draft me with something, they sing up and say, no, I'm going to draft with Shelly. I'm going to talk about things and the people them go give because they go want to hear about her. Yeah, I'm 100% sure. I like the boy tell for me. Maybe say me straight to God who make heaven and earth. Jamal is a fucking honest and beat her every day. And then people really believe them in nonsense, bro. People really believe them in foolishness. Jamal beat who? When? Jesus Christ. Me hear one boy come and say squash free that don't man. Oh, what a blood clot. I want to know, man. I want to know about me and my family. Yes, I'm good on a boy. You see, I Blamdem karma reach him. Every lie when come out until you take it back to him, same dying farmer. Eh? It means a mix up. The girl not telling a lie for him, everything what that girl say are true. And when he friend, the girl know everything about him. That the girl, I mean, I like her either. Because him usually follow that boy and kid on me and my son. When I'm not against her, but I watch her and kid on me and my son with that same boy. That's how when friend become enemy, the truth reveal. Yes, and I know the day was coming very soon. You don't know it, it's when he put out me and that man picture, because we take a picture together. Me and J man him growing at me and Dante the whole because a 6 boy put me grow, my house bigger, everybody as money like them find me yard. And then cause none of them they never pass them place with me, never put argument to me as a big woman. But you see people post memories for years. You put up, this man have this man have that. I can't speak bad about Jamal because I don't know nothing to speak about that man. I can't say nothing bad about Jamal because what me go say about him? Tell me now. The boy is a lie. Mr. The man, hey, Mr. For the little bad mind, you know. I beat him, they beat him in a member. They beat him come. Everybody beat him. Conked him up in our head. Like he was troubled from a child. So when me come on and put out him picture, I tell us that in that, you never believe me. And when me come and tell you the truth, you never believe me. So if somebody come and say, I need to lie me when they tell them. Me tell you the exact truth how it go. Me know that Mario for him a little pick the 7-year-old and me when go to England. Me left that little boy a baby, so my friend was at him for the media. You see, auntie went dead my son. My first son was dead, the auntie went dead. After my son dead, he dead my other son. So me usually grown at the yard, sleep in a auntie bed, cook, eat her, I will make her daughter-in-law. She was my daughter-in-law. And in granny is a good woman. When my son dead, that woman showed me so much love. Blamdem granny show me love. So me have to love in granny and respect her. You have to respect Mama P. You understand? All these people tell her this, people tell Mama P was that lady who loved me. When we have a shop at arcade, every day me follow her go to arcade, go sell to make them eat. So when me say the aunt said this woman I usually sleep in her bed, yes. When me live and sentence. The same auntie the father will come and go sleep in my bed. The way me take care of them as a little girl, like young girl. To give them everything, make sure so they're alright. Love and respect all the time. I hear art and love, hope ever blessed here. Me not feel. Who don't see me they feel. A one man lick me, you know. One man ever lick me and my baby father. And I'm my first fire lick for the man. He lick me back in my rats. You hear? My child father alone ever be fight me. I mean, fight like war. And me no back, me is a August woman, me no back down, me fight like fucking fight. when that boy upon 11 tear me down. August me born, yes. And when that boy upon 11 cuss me the worst, disgracefulest way. We see all some woman upon the comment and the laugh and they say them get on a woman. But me not do uno the same. It 8th of August me born. Me not do uno the same thing what uno do me. Me not do uno the same thing what uno do me. Cause me not tear down woman. August 24, yes. Okay. Yes. And my son Squash born the 4th of August. And the 21st, they got preferred. And I was female and I need to follow that man and tear me down. Every year the man come out, okay, I'm calling mother dirty drunko. If you ain't calling mother dirty drunko, what do you expect? If you calling mother dirty drunko, what do you expect? Strong. You know, have no love for no woman, so you go jealous of me. Right? You go jealous of me and my family. Because I love my kids them. All August bad. I mean not eat nobody will comment bad. Me not eat none of them. Me not time to eat uno go eat. Eating uno just come like a old dog. Me eat uno one but me say about me come like a old dog. I mean not old dog me say by eating uno. Me not eat uno. Me forgive every last female bandit. No, cause they don't see me a fail. They don't see me a fail, bro. I know that me and that little boy do have nothing. Yeah, me have nothing, you know. For me, man talk call me name. I'm frightened, me never talk. I said me never know say him name so. Yes. Me never trouble him. I never trouble him. Me not in a way. Not do nothing. But just because the money and the fame and the iPad TikTok, he realized by calling my name, then go give you and then go get. But he said, trick, you know, and take the money. So every time he do the same thing, he just come after me and call me and then I don't give more gifts and he gone. And I never see me come and tear down people. Me more sorry for people. For people on TikTok. Thank you. Me more thank you. 6 pack. Me more sorry for people, girl. You know me there.